Okay, so welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove a picture from a background. So you've taken a picture, maybe you want to remove the picture from the background to use as like thumbnail or something. See how sometimes people design their thumbnails. You see, they take a picture, they take their image out of from the picture, and then they used to design the thumbnail. So that's how to pick your picture from the background. Yes, how to pick a picture from the background. It's so easy steps. So just follow me, then you can do it. So first, before when you open your picture on Photoshop like this, you go to select here. You click on select, then you select subject. You go to subject. So it will automatically select the image. It will automatically select your image for you automatically in a very nice way. So when you select your image like this, then you go back to select again, click on select, then you click on select and max. So you click on it, select and max. So it will open a property window for you here at the side here. So when you go to the side here, you scroll down here, then you look at the output settings. You click on the decontaminate colors. You just click on it, then you click on OK, and that's it. You can see that you've taken your picture out from the background. You see, I can move my picture anywhere, place it anywhere, then do my design. So you can see. So this is an easy way to take a picture out from a background. If you enjoyed it, thank you very much. Subscribe and like the video. Thank you.